In this video, I'll introduce you to 20 essential Japanese phrases that every learner should start with. These phrases are commonly used in daily life, so let's get started. ありがとう、ありがとう。This means thanks. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。This is the formal version of ありがとう。ごめん、ごめん。This means sorry and is a casual phrase. You can also say ごめんね to add a softer tone to your apology. すみません、すみません。This versatile phrase means sorry or excuse me. You can use it to make a light apology or get someone's attention. For a deeper apology, you can say 申し訳ございません。おはよう、おはよう。This means good morning. Use this with friends, family, or colleagues. おはようございます。おはようございます。おはようございます is a formal morning greeting. It's a polite and respectful way to greet someone in the morning. こんにちは、こんにちは。This means hello. In the workplace, when meeting bosses in or after late morning, it's common to say お疲れ様です instead. こんばんは、こんばんは。こんばんは means good evening. There isn't a fixed casual counterpart to こんにちは or こんばんは. When meeting friends in or after late morning, you can say casual greetings like よ、お疲れ or やっほー. It's person dependent. When having an appointment and someone arrived before you, you can say お待たせ to thank them for waiting. お願いします。お願いします。This is a versatile phrase you can use to make a request. For example, これをお願いします means can I have this? And お会計をお願いします means can I have the check? はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして means nice to meet you. A very common greeting used when meeting someone for the first time. よろしくお願いします。よろしくお願いします。This is a versatile phrase and there is no direct English translation. You can use this phrase after making a request to sound polite or at the end of your self-introduction to show your intention to build a good relationship with the other person. Now, you can introduce yourself. はじめまして。Your name です。よろしくお願いします。This is a common self-introduction pattern that can be used in any situation. うん。means a casual yes. はい。means a formal yes. means a casual no. いいえ means a formal no, but this is a rather written language. We usually say いえ in conversations. When a waitress asks, would you like a refill? You can say いえ結構です which means no thank you. おいしい In casual settings, you can just say おいしい To make it formal, you can add です at the end, like おいしいです When the other person is having the same food as you, you can say, 美味しいですね. This ね is used to seek agreement or confirmation. どこですか? どこですか? どこ means where, and ですか is an expression to make a question. For example, you can say, お手洗いはどこですか? Which means, where is a restroom? Or, 東京駅はどこですか? Which means, where is Tokyo Station? おやすみ、おやすみ。おやすみ means good night. We say おやすみ to friends or family. またね、またね。This is a common phrase to say goodbye with friends or family. You can also say bye-bye with people very close, which comes from the English phrase bye-bye. お気をつけて、お気をつけて。Instead of the less commonly used さようなら, which means goodbye, use this phrase in formal situations to wish someone to get home safely. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. それではまた次回お会いしましょう。ご視聴ありがとうございました。